How to Run Profitable Google Ads Campaigns in 2025 Complete Guide. What if I told you that your ads can either make you tons of money or burn through your budget and drive you zero results? Of course, when we think about running ads, we are expecting to see a positive outcome, get us closer to our business goals. But if you're not setting up things correctly, or if you don't really understand the strategies and how to optimize campaigns, you can end up actually burning through your budget. So that is why I created this course. If you are a business owner, or maybe you are a marketer trying to learn about Google search ads, this is going to be a step-by-step guide that is not only going to walk you through how to set up your campaigns, but really will give you the strategy and all the elements that you really need to understand before setting up campaigns to make sure that, again, they are set up correctly and that you have the right mindset when you are looking at the data. My name is Candelaria, and after running profitable campaigns for my clients for over past 8 years and being part of two of the largest advertising agencies in the world, like Omnicom and Publicis, and getting trained directly by people at Meta and at Google, I've been really lucky to get the best practices, participated in betas, and really learn from the best of the best. Now I have built my own boutique agency here in Miami, and I wanted to create a series of videos that will walk you through how to set up campaigns in 2025. Now, if you're looking for a short, quick video on how to really get started, you have to launch something quickly, there is a video in the description that really walks you through it. But otherwise, if you're looking for more in-depth, really step-by-step full course, then make sure that you hit subscribe and hit the bell, because I'm going to be uploading videos that are going to give you everything you need to know to run campaigns this year.